Hi, everyone. A lot of teachers who have iPads in the classroom are very fond of having centers where the kids can go and be self directed using directions or activities the teacher pushes out using a QR code, as you can see here. I got this idea from my friends who wrote Innovate with iPad about having task cards at stations. So I made one, and here's mine. I have a little something I want my students to do, but I need to add that QR code. So to do that, I need to go to the Chrome Web Store. And I'm just going to type in Chrome Web Store and I'm going to select the first link. And that's going to take me to the Chrome Web Store. Now, it's important to note that I have to be using the Google Chrome browser to do this. I cannot be using Safari or Internet Explorer. So make sure you're on the Chrome browser. I type in Google URL shortener and this is what appears under extensions because that's what I'm looking for. I want an extension, and extensions are little apps that live to the right of your Google Omnibox. So if you look over here by this, you can see I'm using Screencastify to record this. This is where it will go. But there are two of them. So here's a little tip. This first one has 5 stars, which is great, but only 12 people have reviewed that. The second one has 5 stars, which is also great, but 2,500 people have reviewed that. I know this is the one I want, but I wanted to show you how I came to that decision. So now I've added it to my extensions area, and it now lives there. So here's all I have to do back at my activity. Now that it is installed, I'm at this activity, and I just hit this little Google URL shortener, and it gives me a shortened URL, which is great. But what I want is this QR code. I just click on it and it appears, and I throw it down into my document. It's small. I can make it bigger by selecting and dragging, or I could keep it small if I wanted to, as we saw on the other example. And now I have a QR code. I have an activity that I can either print or push out, however I want to do it. But that QR code is now easily placed inside of the document using the Google URL shortener and the Chrome browser. Easy peasy. So enjoy making task cards and stations with your students.